We've now added a data set from rep risk to our list of data sources from the Snowflake marketplace. Now let's take a look at querying the rep risk data set from Microsoft Excel. Same as you saw in a previous video. We'll go over to the data tab, get data sources, go down to other sources from ODBC. We'll choose the Snowflake DSN, click OK, and we'll use our navigator to locate the table provided by RepRisk. This second table is the one in which we're interested. We get our nice preview here, and we'll go ahead and load that data. And in just a few moments, we'll see the data from RepRisk now available to us in Microsoft Excel. And there you have it. In just a few steps, we have queried RepRisk's data set from the Snowflake marketplace here in Microsoft Excel.